Horns on the big side of them can actually be about 10 feet end to end, 6 feet tip to tip, not as heavy as they look. Their horns are hollow, about 5 to 10 pounds each, filled with quite a lot of blood vessels and honeycomb shapes, helps them regulate their body temperatures. And Collie, also known as the Watusi cattle, and domesticated by the Watusi tribe here in Africa a few thousand years ago. You're now seeing some white-bearded wildebeest on the far right-hand side. All those grayish creatures are white-bearded wildebeest. On the immediate right, a giraffe, of course. That one's pretty obvious. I'm going to introduce that one. Now, here in Africa, there are 4 different species of giraffes, but here in Harambe, we usually only see one, the Maasai giraffe. Largest of the species, about 18 to 22 feet tall on average, and the tallest creatures in the world. If you need some reference to work with, that's a little shy of 2 stories, so if you're upstairs in a house, they can stick their head in your window. But that very little giraffe on the left-hand side is only about 5 months old, so she is not really as big as she could be, which is these full adults on the left-hand side. Notice how the brown spots on the skin are very jagged and irregular around the edges? That's how we know these are Maasai giraffe. Most people are actually familiar with a different species called the reticulated, which have a blocky and smooth